I am so excited about the colors of fall every year, and I'm excited this year because I am collecting some different colored fallen leaves, a natural type of material to make a beautiful garland.
Have right now beautiful flowers and beautiful autumn leaves.
And here's what they look like after I brushed on some diamond glaze. Look at them, it's still wet. The next morning, dry. These are ready to be used.
It's already carved in the air.
This is the arrangement, the final arrangement. So with the two-tone twine that I got from the dollar store, it's white and beige, I think. I measured the size of the window that I want my garland to go to, and then just left a little bit of a slack that I measured twice. And from there, I cut 3 pieces of the same size. I tied off the end and then I braided it, and this is what I got. And I taped it to the table so it doesn't shift and move. And from the arrangement, I started to glue on the ends of the stems to my cord and make sure that you glue it to like almost where it's the strongest. And also I'll put it on a window where it doesn't get disturbed, because if it does, there's too much traffic. I mean, the leaves might tend to break off, but I don't think so because I put the diamond glaze on it. But one of the leaves did break off, so just a tip for you guys. And that's about it. Make sure that the spacing in between the leaves are pretty even. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.